Okay guys, so on this side, once you remove the glove box, you can reach out the other two motors. That motor is when you operate the air conditioning from passenger side, and this motor up is the one who operates those air ducts. This one right here. The piece that I repaired is that one. The upper motor, you can see the metal around that plastic. If I operate this one, this button here, then it will move that motor. Okay, that's the weak spot of Citroen C4 Picasso, but overall it's alright. Thanks for watching, please subscribe.